Hello there, I'm John Leslie, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed my old pair of glasses. Let's take a look at those lenses. If you're looking to fix up your old pair of prescription glasses, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how I fixed my old pair of glasses lenses. They were all scratched and ugly, and now they are beautiful. Let's go ahead and pop out those lenses. Time to get started. You can tell from the lighting how beat up these bad boys really are. Ugh, ugly. Ugly glasses. Ugh. Man, oh man, you can sure tell these glasses have seen a lot of action out there in the field. All these scratches, all these blemishes, all the paint that's missing. We've got our work cut out for us today. All right, now that you've gone ahead and removed your lenses from your frames, it's time to start sanding that UV protection. The UV protection is starting to look pretty shoddy, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it using this MeGuiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit in the blue box. What? Hard rain's gonna fall. Sand, up, down, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. Uniform, frosted appearance, folks. That's what you want. Don't try this at home. In fact, don't try it at all. Do not use the MeGuiar's headlight coating on your glasses. They will become so cloudy, you will not be able to see out of them at all. So don't use it. Here, in this snapshot, you can tell which lens I've treated with the MeGuiar's headlight restoration kit and the one lens that I have not yet treated. It's time to break out the heavy artillery. Break out your MeGuiar's basic headlight restoration kit, get those sanding pads and microfiber cloth ready, and prepare your plastics because it's time to finally sand down those lenses so you can see. The MeGuiar's basic headlight cleaning solution really worked well for repairing my glasses lenses. Now, I followed each step 1 through 6 to the T, and I also never skipped one of the cleaning pads. I moved all the way from 1 to 4, and by the time I was finished, I was happy with the results. You're gonna be sanding forever! Just keep going, just keep sanding, just keep sanding, sanding, just keep sanding, just keep sanding, sanding, just keep sanding. Just so you know, folks, this is going to take a long time to finish sanding. Just keep sanding, guys. You got a little way to go. You're so close. You're this close to being finished with the sanding. And as soon as you get done with the sanding, then we'll move on to plastics. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo, shake it. It's time to work that plastics. Work it, work it, work it, work it. But make sure you read the directions and follow them to the T. Go ahead and pop that lens back into your frames and you'll be ready to paint the town gold. Spoiler alert, I'm going to paint the frames in the next video. Go into the lens wash. Lens wash, baby. Get the lens wash. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it washed, get it washed. Oh wow, check out those lenses. Don't they look great? Now that we've removed all the scratches from our lenses, it's time to work on those frames. Coming up in my next video, we break out the gold spray paint. It's gonna be alright because we're gonna be staying gold and keeping rocking all night long. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, I've got plenty more on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay gold and keep rocking. Be sure to tune in next time, folks. I'm going to be painting these frames Stay gold and keep rocking.